Hey guys, how are you? Today we're going to check and see if this OLLIN is as easy to install as they say it is. Let's go check it out. Hey guys, how are you doing? So we're going to see if this OLLIN is as easy as it says to hook it up. If you recall, I did a video, I think about a year ago, 2 years ago, on the mag view. I got the mag view for my binoculars. And you get this little plate that I put on the back of my case. It's a metal plate that goes on there. You can check out that video, but if you recall, it's kind of a little hard you have to use their app. You have to follow the light in on your camera to get it hooked up, and then even when it does grab on, you're still adjusting a little bit to get that view out of your binoculars or your spotting scope. So we took this case off my phone. I already put the case on my phone. Didn't want to bore you with that. But in the OLLIN box, I'll throw this top down there. You're going to get the part that goes onto your spotting scope or your binocular. And then this is the cap that goes over the top. And underneath, I ordered it with my phone. You can order it with your phone. You can check out their website. I'll have it in the description. And I'll also put the price later on up in the upper left or bottom or right corner. And then inside is a lanyard and the case for my phone, which I have a the iPhone 13 Pro Max. But the lanyard goes onto the cap that goes over the top of your spotting scope. So we're going to take this one out. Not going to worry about the cap, but this is what this part looks like that goes on your spotting scope. And this is their little logo, and this logo goes north or up. You just push that onto your spotting scope. And I'm going to do that right now. All right. And we're going to do a video. I'm going to do a screenshot or screen recording of my phone here. And in 3, 2, 1, and there it is. So right now I am doing a recording of my camera or my phone, and we are going to get into the camera mode, and then we are going to get into video mode. And now I am going to be seeing you. You're going to see this up in the upper corner, but I'm seeing you right there on the screen. And you can see how this goes right onto your phone, this portion right here. And this can only go onto the spotting scope either in the horizontal position or the vertical position. That's the only way it'll snap on. It will not go on at a diagonal, so it makes it really easy for you. So what we're going to do is I've got this, and I'm going to show you. You're going to see this up in the upper corner, but there is a railroad sign way over there. And I'm going to try and zoom in with my phone. You can see it right, whoa, wants to get my finger, but way out there in the distance, you can see that cross, and there's a stop sign right below it. So we are going to now see how easy this is. We're going to get this back to the normal setting for my phone. So there we go. The one thing with this is it does cover up your other lenses that are on your iPhone, but it does use this lens that is available right there. And I will tell you, you can just take regular videos with it, take photos with it. It works really well. So let's see how easy this is. We just push this right onto the spotting scope. And now we've got this still going in recording mode, and we're going to put it on there horizontally, and it just snaps right into place. And look at that, guys. You can see it up there in the corner. Now you got a little vignetting on the outside, so all you have to do is zoom in a little bit. And there it is. That is freaking crazy. And then I can do my spotting scope. If I can go out a little bit, there you go. And you can see in that corner there is the railroad sign with the stop sign way over there. That was so easy to put on there. And then we can take it off and we can put it on vertically. And there we go. That's as simple as it gets, guys. That is so cool. There it is. You can see that up in the corner. That is perfect. That is so awesome. So guys, it is as easy as they say it is to hook up to your spotting scope. Push it on, keep the emblem in the north position, and your case, this thing will only go on this way or vertically, horizontally or vertically. And like I said, we'll do it again. Snaps right into place, and it is on that railroad sign way across the field over there. All right, guys, it is as easy as they say it is, and as everybody else has shown. This is really great. I've got the binocular one also. I will put that on my binoculars, kind of show how easy it is. We'll do that in another video. Show you how easy it is to hook it up to your binoculars and get that quick attachment and focus on the object that you want to follow. All right, guys, I will see you later, and I want to thank everybody. The channel just passed 2 million views, so thank you very much. We're at like 9,600 subscribers, getting up to that 10,000, and it's all because of you guys. Thank you very much. Make sure you get outdoors every day, guys. It is beautiful out here right now. The wind is blowing. It's about 42 degrees, but it's better than sitting inside. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.